Hi, my name is Nor Alicia Nor Osmar,
Hi, I'm Mia Wynn,
and today we're going to discuss about the topic of cloning,
and why it's of interest,
state of knowledge and controversies,
and lastly, where it's going in the future.
Cloning is an organism or cell or group of organisms or cells produced asexually from an ancestor or stock to which they are genetically identical.
Cloning is a topic of interest because it allows for the replication of things we need, such as stem cells. Stem cells build, maintain, and repair the body throughout our lives. Cloning could be used in a way to create stem cells that are genetically identical to an individual for medical purposes. If we can clone stem cells from a person with a disease, it could be used to better understand and possibly develop new treatments for the disease. Or, even if someone is in need of an organ but doesn't have a suitable donor, that person could be cloned and become his own donor. Another reason cloning is a topic of interest is for couples who suffer from infertility. If cloning sees a future improvement, sterile couples will be able to have an offspring, although currently the success rate of reproductive cloning is very low. Cloning can also be used for animal models of disease such as mice, which are genetically engineered to carry disease-causing mutations. Cloning could help reduce the time to make these models and create a big population of genetically identical animals for the study.
In 1996, scientist named Ian Wilmot succeeded in cloning the sheep named Dolly. He did so by transplanting a nucleus from a mammary gland cell of a sheep into the enucleated egg of another sheep. The nucleus-egg combination was stimulated with electricity to fuse the two and to stimulate cell division. The new cell divided and was placed in the uterus of a sheep to develop. Dolly was born months later. As a result of this, recently on July 31st, 2001, the U.S. House of Representatives passed the Human Cloning Prohibition Act of 2001, which specifically bans asexual reproduction, which is accomplished by somatic cell nuclear transfer technology. This technique was used to produce Dolly. Cloning has raised a lot of controversies up till now. This is condemned primarily for the psychological, social, and physiological risks associated with cloning. Most people argue on the ethical questions such as if cloning is violating any morals prohibitions.
The future of cloning seems both bright and dim. Many say that cloning is unethical, but if advancements in technology can further the research in cloning, we can possibly revive endangered or extinct animals, study cell differentiation more clearly, and also conduct more research in the use of embryonic stem cells for humans.